You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word that confuses a lot of people in English correctly. Let's break it down into syllables. British English and American English pronunciations are similar, so it's pretty straightforward once you know. Circumstances. Let's break it down. Circumstances. So British English will be pronounced more as circumstances. American English pronunciation, US, circumstances. But it's similar pronunciation, just a slightly different accent. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.